Welcome to this tutorial where we'll guide you through the process of creating line chart widgets within the OCTOBUS platform. These widgets are essential for visualizing data effectively, and we'll walk you through the steps for both basic and statistic widgets. Let's begin. First, ensure you're signed into OCTOBUS. Navigate to the menu and select the Dashboards button. Here, you'll find the Create button. Click it to start the process of widget creation. You'll be directed to the Create New Widget screen, which includes two tabs, Basic and Statistic. We'll create a line chart in both. The Basic tab allows for the presentation of real-time raw data for up to 30 days, whereas the Statistic tab displays aggregated data over longer periods, such as daily, monthly, yearly, etc. Creating a basic line chart widget. Select Line Chart from the Basic tab. You'll move to a screen for data selection. In our example, we'll be using air width sensors to measure PM 2.5 in our office. Select Connected Air Widths PM from the Asset dropdown and PM 2.5 Measurement from the Measurement dropdown. Click Next, and proceed to the Specify Time tab. Choose Relative, and set the monitoring period to, for example, 14 days back from today. For specific dates, select Time Period and specify accordingly. Proceed to the Visualization tab, define your chart's appearance, and click Create. You'll be redirected to the dashboard, where the new line chart displays the PM 2.5 data for the past 14 days. Hovering over the chart reveals precise values for each day. Creating a statistic line chart widget. Return to the Widgets menu by clicking the plus button in the upper right corner, select the Statistic tab, and then the Line Chart Widget button. Similar to the basic widget creation, select your asset and measurement. For the Statistic widget, there's an additional drop-down menu for aggregation. In our case, we choose Average and Maximum for average and maximum data aggregation. You may choose whatever suits your demands more. In the Specify Time tab, select your preferred time frame, such as the daily aggregated value for PM 2.5 over the last 120 days. In the Visualization tab, arrange your chart's color and click Create to finalize. You'll be redirected to the dashboard, displaying your chart with daily average and maximum PM 2.5 data for the selected period. Arrange the charts as needed to monitor your data efficiently. How to edit widget and add more measurements. To modify widgets and add additional measurements, follow these simple steps. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen and select the Edit Widget option. Navigate to the Select Data tab. If you wish to monitor an additional measurement, such as PM10, select it from the drop-down menu. Proceed to the Visualization tab, assign a color to the new measurements line chart, and click Save. You will now observe that the dashboard's line chart displays two measurements. If you need, for instance, to adjust the data display to a 7-day span instead of 14, click the calendar icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter the desired number of days in the field to adjust the time span and click OK. The chart will update to reflect your new time span requirement. You can further refine your time span by sliding the bar right or left, or by dragging the mouse to highlight a specific period of interest. Lastly, to manage visibility of specific data lines, to hide a data line, such as the PM 2.5 measurement, click on its description bar. The line will disappear from view. To make it visible again, simply click on the description bar once more. This concludes our tutorial on creating line chart widgets in OCTOBUS for both basic and statistic widgets. We hope you found this guide straightforward, easy to follow and helpful. Stay tuned for more widget tutorials and enhance your data visualization with OCTOBUS.